Hi gang, and welcome to another video on the 6 main plant categories. In the last 3 videos, we looked at Allium, cruciferous, and edible plant stems and the hormones and amino acids that they contain. And in this video, I will show you which plants in the leafy green category that contains the most natural growth hormones. Leafy vegetables, also called leafy greens, pot herbs, vegetable greens, or simply greens, are plant leaves eaten as vegetables and sometimes accompanied by tender stems and shoots. Do you know that there are several hundred species of plants with edible leaves that we know of? Almost 1,000. And a wide range of green leafy vegetables like arugula, spinach, kale, mustard greens, cabbage, coriander leaves, fenugreek are available for consumption in many various forms. And some of the most nutritious greens include romaine lettuce, Swiss chard, Bok Choy, turnip greens, and arugula. And they are like lots of sun and fertile and well-drained soil. And you can also improve your soil or your native soil by mixing in several inches of compost or some other rich organic matter. Leafy green vegetables are healthy foods that can help you complete a balanced diet. They are typically rich in nutrients and fiber and low in calories and fat. Other leafy greens can include iceberg lettuce, romaine lettuce, butterleaf lettuce, escarole, and chard. The term leafy greens does not include herbs such as cilantro or parsley, but these two, for instance, have high amounts of amino acids and growth hormones. And depending on your area, you might not be able to find some of them, but the ones that you can find, you can use them to create fertilizers for your plants. And we always make sure that we incorporate at least 3 of these greens in our grow regimen. Celery is a leafy green vegetable whose roots, stalks, leaves, and seeds can be used in the kitchen. It is popular in North American, European, Asian, and African cuisine. This popular low-calorie vegetable is good cooked or raw when you use it in salads, but not necessarily good when you want to create fertilizers for your plants. Spinach, on the other hand, is a leafy green plant that is native to Central and Western Asia. Its leaves are a common edible vegetable consumed either fresh or raw. Spinach has an NPK of 5:16:6, and as you can see, is high in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, a perfect plant source to use as a fertilizer for your plants. Other greens that contain more nitrate than most other plants would include arugula, butterleaf lettuce, and cilantro, better known as coriander. Arugula, as you can see, has a high NPK content of 5:11:5. Tryptophan, leucine, lysine, valine are just a few of the 18 different amino acids that this plant contains. Butterleaf lettuce is also high in calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and also contains amino acids such as glycine, alanine, leucine, and tryptophan. Besides having high NPK, cilantro, also known as coriander, is loaded with nutrients such as calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, copper, and even manganese. So here's a little tip for those that might be having problems in getting nutrients all together. let's say that you live in a place where getting organic nutrients is pretty hard. You can always tell if a plant is a high nutrient source by the leaf color and the abundance of the plant itself. That about wraps it up. If you like this video, let us know. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. And the next video is going to be about marrow plants. We'll see you then. Ciao, Bella.